Hey guys, this is a project I've been working on for a while. I actually got it out of the neighbor's bushes like a year ago. I customized a lot of things on this. I put this little skull thing here. Hang on, let me turn on the lights. And its eyes light up, if you can see that, when the lights do. It's pretty cool. Put this diamond plate footrest here. It's an old Dynamark. Put this awesome exhaust on here. And of course, you can't go wrong on a lawn tractor without a gas pedal. As you can see, I took a brake line off a bicycle and made it a gas pedal. And Budweiser air filter. So I'll start it up for you guys. And let's go for a ride. Yep, sure runs pretty clean. Actually, this engine isn't original. I put a new engine in here. I had to redo all this wiring. Here, let me take this up. I had to redo all the wiring in here because it was apparently burned. All those shot. So I had to redo it all. Oh yeah, and you couldn't be complete without a pulley swap. So I bought that one at Farm & Tractor, put it on there, and it runs a lot faster than it did before. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you later.